The ROM Android Community Update comes with the ROMs for the Xiaomi Mi Note 3 of lineage OS 15.1 and Pixel Experience. Some users worry about degrading the quality of the camera when using custom ROMs. This was because Xiaomi's Mi Note 3 got good results. ROMs for the Xiaomi Mi Note 3 lineage OS 15.1 beta and Pixel Experience are now available for Xiaomi Mi Note 3. The devices of the Redmi and Redmi Note ranges are sold by the millions. However, the company also has other series of smartphones. One of them is the Mi Note range, in which the Xiaomi Mi Note 3 is quite popular. It has been a year since the smartphone ROMs for the Xiaomi Mi Note 3 was launched. The first of the ROMs for the Xiaomi Mi Note 3 is the lineage OS 15.1 that comes to us thanks to the work of the renowned developer of XDA.